A lot of people have the notion that when they're going to sell a piece of jewelry, it's only for the gold weight. However, when we purchase an item here, we look at the whole piece.
We like it if it's resellable jewelry, and we'll pay a premium for it. Most places only want to buy it for the gold. They don't care about the antique value or the vintage value of it.
We pay extra for gemstones, diamonds. If a piece can be restored and resold, then we absolutely will pay more for that.
We can pay more for the jewelry because we have a market for it. We specialize in antique jewelry, vintage jewelry, diamond jewelry, engagement rings, bracelets, vintage watches, diamond watches, designer watches. A lot of watches are collectible, so high-end watches are always in demand.
Everyone who works at Estate Jewelers has a lot of experience in the jewelry industry. We take the time to do the research and make sure that we're able to pay the customer top dollar for their item.
Hello, I'm Ed Szymanski, founder of Estate Jewelers. I've been in the jewelry business for over 40 years. One thing I'd like for you to know is that if you need money now, we offer short and long-term loans on your jewelry. We want you to feel confident that you're getting the best price for your jewelry. We have private offices and everything's confidential.
If you have an item and you're not sure what it's worth, the best thing to do is to bring it in. We're willing to look at any item. It's free of charge to have an estimate done. We're confident that the price we offer people for their jewelry is going to be the best.